Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up app security with OWASP recommendations for mobile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To effectively set up app security for mobile applications, begin by educating yourself on the OWASP Mobile Security Testing Guide. Also, familiarize yourself with the OWASP Mobile Top 10, which outlines the most critical security risks for mobile apps. Start with the secure development lifecycle by integrating security at every phase of app development. Conduct threat modeling early to identify the potential security threats specific to your application. Utilize secure coding practices throughout the development process to mitigate vulnerabilities. Implement strong authentication mechanisms, ensuring that user identities are verified securely. Use multi-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. Secure sensitive data by encrypting it both at rest and in transit to prevent unauthorized access. Make use of secure coding libraries and frameworks that adhere to best practices in security. Regularly update and patch libraries and dependencies to protect against known vulnerabilities. Implement code obfuscation to make reverse engineering of your app more difficult for attackers. Incorporate runtime application self-protection, or RASP, to monitor app behavior and detect security threats in real time. Conduct thorough security testing, including static and dynamic analysis, to identify potential weaknesses. Engage in regular penetration testing to simulate real-world attacks and find critical security flaws. Ensure secure API interactions by validating and authenticating API requests. Employ a secure app architecture that separates sensitive logic from less critical operations. Store sensitive information securely using the platform's secure storage facilities, like keychain or encrypted shared preferences. Monitor the app's security posture continuously with logging and alerting mechanisms for suspicious activities. Periodically review security policies and best practices to adapt to emerging threats. Train your development team on security awareness to foster a culture of security in your organization. Finally, maintain a commitment to security by keeping up with the latest OWASP updates and mobile security trends. By following these OWASP recommendations, you can significantly enhance the security of your mobile application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.